wisdom, crossed rivers of gold, tasted the genius that stories foretold, gave with open hands, let the universe receive. But love was the lesson I never could leave. Through the galaxies, through the stars, to the light beyond where we are. From the earth to the blue and pink stars, love is here, compassion is not far. Higher, deeper, weightless flight, I ascend to the source of all that is bright. Take me to the fifth dimension, where the skies breathe pure intention, where compassion sings in every soul and love's the force that makes us whole. Take me home to the place where light is known. Higher, deeper, weightless flight, I ascend to the source of all that is bright. I have given freely with nothing to claim, carved my name in the fabric of flame. But the strongest force, the endless stream, is love unbound, eternal dream. It's in us all, it's always been a thread of light, a voice within, no distance left, no time remains. I dissolve into love, into gold ray. Take me to the ninth dimension. To the ninth dimension I rise, bathed in truth, embraced in skies, everlasting, ever free. I am love and love is me, love is us, our souls are free. Take me to the ninth dimension, where the skies breathe pure intention, where compassion shines in every direction and love's the force breaks tension. Take me home to the place where light is known. Take me to the ninth dimension. Reset and let go of the anger, let go of resentment, be free. Let's let go in love when all else fails. Just hug. In the shadow of hurt, I stand tall and strong, with every scar a story I've written long. Though pain whispers, I hear the light song. My words are a shield, my path to the dawn. I want to let down my sword and just hug. All I want is love, all I want is love. Let's let go in love when all else fails. Just hug. In the silence, my voice breaks free. Through the darkness, I find a key to unlock doors, to set me free. I am blessed, not blind. With laser focus, I align, healing through poems, my true design. I won't misuse my power, I'll shine. Survivors pain, harm and abuse. So we must love unconditionally. I am blessed, not blind. With laser focus I align, healing through poems, my true design. I won't misuse my power, I'll shine. Survivors of pain, harm, and abuse, my brothers and sisters, I salute you. Let's let go in love. When all else fails, just hug. I am the heartbeat, I am the soul speaking through your eyes. No matter the hurt, no matter the pain, I am the sunlight after the rain. Through all I've been, I still remain. I am love unbroken, I reclaim my name. I am the healing, I am the flame, I am the strength that cannot be tamed. No matter the past, I rise above. I am forever worthy of love. I am the breath that calms the storm. I am the light that keeps me warm. I am worthy, I am whole. I am the keeper of my soul. I am respect, I stand in peace. I am the song that will not cease. I am the river, I let words flow. I am the garden where kindness grows. No matter black and white by what they say, I am the dawn of a brighter day. I am forgiveness opening the door. I am compassion, I rise once more. I am love, unshaken, true. I am enough in all I do. I am the silence that heals the pain. I am the sunlight after rain. I am the echo of sacred choice. I am the strength within my voice. I am the present, I am the now. I am the promise, I honor my vow. I am the breath that calms the storm. I am the light that keeps me warm. I am worthy, I am whole. I am the keeper of my soul. I am respect, I stand in peace. I am the song that will not cease. I am the river, I let words flow. I am the garden where kindness grows. I am not broken by what they say. I am the dawn of a brighter day. I am forgiveness opening the door. I am compassion, I rise once more. I am love, unshaken, true. I am enough in all I do. I am the silence that heals the pain. I am the sunlight after rain. I am the echo of sacred choice. I am the strength within my voice. I am the present, I am the now. I am the promise, I honor my vow. I am love, I am change. I am strong in my name. I am not my story, but my energy is free. Who am I? I am more, I am all, I am safe. Start with breath. me small turns to light as I forgive it all. I go beyond the name, beyond the praise, beyond the blame, beyond the numbers in a line. I touch a love that feels divine. I rise beyond the fame, beyond the goal, beyond the game. I open hands, receive the flow. I bend alone and stand right behind. I Mother's tired stories, father's fears beneath his skin. Ancient aching patterns I once thought were mine to keep. Now I see the river running quiet, running deep. Every hidden sorrow is a promise I can keep. I close my eyes and the future find its way. Hear the gentle goddess in the things I do not say. Every little heartbeat is a holy sign. I am here, I am here, I am alive. I go beyond the name, beyond the praise, beyond the blame, beyond the numbers in a line. I touch a love that feels divine. I rise beyond the fame, beyond the gold, beyond the game. I open hands, receive the flow. Abundance in my veins. I glow so slow. Sacred in my footsteps, walking through the family fire, turning every echo into quiet, bright desire. Love is my language, kindness is my only crown. Every time my breathing's